Welcome to Oxford Phonics World 1 for alphabet. Today we're doing letter B. See? B. It's the B sound. B. Big bear. See? Big bear. Let's look at some more B sounds. Listen and repeat. Bear. Bird. Bed. Banana. Okay, one more time. I'm circling this time. Bear. Bird. Bed. Banana. Take a look. We need to follow the path of the bees. Let's follow the path. Are you ready? Let's go. B for banana. Banana. Now which way? Bird or apple? Bird. B for bird. Now which way? B for bear. Bear. Finally, bed. Let's say the words one more time. Are you ready? Let's go. Bear. Banana. Bird. Bed. Well done. Now, let's listen and chant. Ready? Bed, bear, banana, bird. Bed, bear, banana, bird. Bed, bear, banana, bird. Bed, bed, bird, bed, banana, banana, bird, bird. Next time, we'll be looking at the C sounds. Join me next time. Bye bye now.